I'm Marsha Hartman, and I'm from Exodigm Biosciences. I'm the CEO, and we're a startup out of Arizona that's revolutionizing the cell therapy space. So our revolutionary product is that for the first time, we enable you to sample RNA in a live cell. We've created a DNA nanosensor that can go into the membrane of the cell and sample for the RNA that you're interested in. Why this is important to cell therapy is we understand that the phenotype is incredibly important to what we're doing with cars and trucks, but we would love to be able to, in live cells, look at the RNA, which we know controls the cell at its innermost being. And so we are enabling that, and we're looking for partners and investors here today. The conference has been such a, a gift to us. We've been able to connect with the people that we were hoping to connect with while we were here. We've been able to pitch our ideas to investors, and the roundtables have just really been phenomenal. Heading into one next again to talk about how to budget appropriately, looking at the blood banks. So really excited for the rest of the conference.